early New Year's Eve. I know I didn't vlog today. I was busy just like editing. I wanted to get my videos up before New Year. And these have been slow cooking for about, I think, 7 hours. These are baby back ribs made by yours truly. We have some mashed potatoes. Guys, check out the meat on this. That is like some thick meat. Stella Rosa Moscato. What is up, you guys? It is, what is it? It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I feel like whenever I'm like talking to you guys, we are running errands. Look what I ended up finding. It's the veggie spiral vegetable cutter. I've been really into cooking lately, just recently. So I wanted to make the fam a really healthy spaghetti dish. So we're gonna give this a try, and look at that. Not bad, $6.99. Happy Wednesday. So I just spent the last 30 minutes trying to get a shot of the Genesis G90. Oh, the keys in the car. Let me kind of give you guys a final tour because Genesis USA will be picking up the car tomorrow. This is seriously the most luxurious car we have ever test driven. It's a 5-seater. Let me show you guys the back, which unfortunately nobody was able to really use the features because it was either Darren or myself, or it was my husband. It has 2 monitors in the back. You can watch DVDs. It even has this feature up here, which is a mirror. You can control the radio, the air conditioner. It has seat warmers. You can even adjust the seats itself. It's literally like a little airplane seat in a way, because you can adjust everything here. So whenever you get close by the trunk, it will automatically open for you. I just opened it so I could kind of show you guys, but that's like something I thought that was pretty nice. A huge console up here. You have the air conditioner and heaters, audio. And actually control everything through this controller down here. Radio, media, map, navigation, phone, seat warmers, seat coolers. The really cool feature of this car is definitely the reverse, which I want to show you guys. It has the sensors on all sides of the car. Beeps if you are about to hit the curb, you're way too close to the car. Next to you on either side of the car, in front or in back. It has the lane assistance, which in my book I think it is absolutely necessary. It is also very economic on gas consumption. We just literally hit the halfway mark, didn't have to fill it up the whole time. 2 side view mirrors close when you lock the car, and they retract open when you get close to it. And when you get close to it, the Genesis emblem is projected on the ground, which I think is such a cool, unique feature. Thank you so much to Genesis USA for giving us the opportunity to test it out. It is, in my book, like the top of the line luxury car. Happy Saturday. I'm having some of my cold brew black coffee. I want to first apologize because I didn't really vlog that much this week. A lot's been going on behind the scenes. It's also the week that I went back to work. Next week we will definitely vlog more. Today I have a lot to get through because I have to clean up the mess that I have. We have to film. We gotta take some pictures a bit later, and that's my husband kind of like sipping on his coffee. So I wanted to share with you guys my planners that I am using for this year. So again, I'm going with the Happy Planner, which I bought at Michael's Arts and Crafts. This is like my life, like everyday life planner. I went back to my Kate Spade. For this, I just bought the Happy Planner inserts. I think it's the Happy Planner. It's from Michael's Arts and Crafts. It looks like this, and it just, you know, it's a pretty much a blank planner. It fits into the little rings. These are the 2 planners that I'm going to be using this year. It's a couple hours later. I just finished taking pictures at the park, and I was gonna vlog it. The sun was going down. I mean, it was, granted, it was pretty cloudy today. There was some sun, but it's getting dark, so I had to take a couple of pictures. So I did that. Now I'm going to CVS because I need to print out my vision board pictures and then finally put that up on the wall so I can see it every day. And then we're gonna go out to dinner, and we're also going to head over to Daiso, which I'm really happy about for the monthly Daiso shop with me video. I'm going out to dinner. We're actually trying out this new food spot that my husband found. It is called, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Is it Asian Fusion? It's supposed to be like an Asian fusion Filipino food spot. Let's go try it out. Guys, I completely forgot the name of these fries.
Sweet potato fries?
Sweet potato fries, but there's a name for it. I'm going to tell you guys. This is the adobo bowl.
No.
Right?
Chicken adobo bowl.
Oh, chicken adobo bowl. This one is the tapsilog.
Tapsilog.
Filipino dish. And mine is the bibimbap veggie. For dessert, I wanted to try this. It's buko pandan. It's a Filipino dessert. The food was delicious. Out of the 3 dishes we got, Darren's, which was the crispy adobo chicken bowl, that was delicious. I would say my husband's was next, which was, what was yours? Oh, tapsilog. Tapsilog, which is kind of like a breakfast type of bowl. That's number 2, and number 3 would be mine, because mine was like all veggie. Buko pandan, the dessert is like, it's like a coconut. Yeah, it's like a flan mixture. And that was exactly what I was looking for, because I wanted something sweet. It was delicious, and we're definitely going to be coming back. Over to the grocery store. I didn't get to vlog earlier, but we went to Daiso. I'll have the haul up on, or not the haul, I'll have the shop with me video up on Monday, and you guys will see, you know, what I picked up. Thinking about restarting the yeah, I know this is probably like so like cliche, you know, because it's the beginning of the year, and you know everybody has all these goals and resolutions and stuff, but we need to get my like fitness back on check. And while I was making my vision board earlier, I was man, I don't know, I looked at my picture when I did the 21-day fix, and you know how I am now. I mean, I don't know. That's just how I see myself. So, we're going to start that on Monday, and I have to do the eating plan with it. Grocery, it's pretty simple today. Just getting some milk, egg whites, green bananas, some salad. So I almost forgot to share with you guys the bags of salad. I just got the Fresh Express Kit Caesar salad. It already has Caesar dressing, aged Parmesan cheese, and some croutons. And then also the Kit Asian salad, sesame orange dressing, cherry flavored cranberries, and pea pods. And it also has wonton strips. It's about 11, it's almost 11:30, and I'm gonna start responding back to comments as well as emails, and then edit this vlog so it's up for tomorrow's video. Today I was working on my banner. I wanted to change up the banner for the new year. The whole inspiration for the banner was from my media kit that was created for me by Media Kit for Influencers. That's the name of the website. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. If you aren't really familiar with what a media kit is, it's technically like a resume that you submit to brands. When you're pitching to brands, it has all your stats, it has everything. It looks very professional. Stephanie did an amazing job. She was very thorough. You know, she also has a giveaway going on for free media kits, so make sure you guys go check it out down below in the description box. This is what Stephanie designed for me for my media kit. So it says beauty, vlogs, lifestyle, fashion. She also told her I wanted some marble incorporated with it. So this is the theme that she went with. And I just kind of did this. I added the Twilight Chick one for 3 new videos every week. And then for my blog, this is what it looks like. It's the same exact layout, but I just put Tim's blog in. But you see, like, my whole layout is the same. It's the same type of layout that I've had for a long time, and I just didn't really have time to play around with it. On my to-do list is to really update it. I hope you guys had an amazing start to the new year. Let me know down below what you guys have been up to for the first week of the new year. Any of you guys on the whole fitness journey, because we are going to be on the fitness journey starting next week. Sending you guys, as always, positive vibes for a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys in next week's vlog.